Working with custom menu in WordPress is really easy. You can create, edit, or update any menu. Custom menu in WordPress may contain links to pages, categories, custom links, or other content types. So let's do it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Under Appearance, click Menus. Then you will find a window like this one. From here, you will be able to select any existing menu, and if you do not have any menus created, then you need to click create a new menu. First, we will show you how to update an existing menu. So this is our primary menu, and if we want to switch any existing menus, then we can select the footer here as example, then click the select, and it will show the footer menu. Okay, and if we need to update an existing menu item, we can actually click here. Then we can update the title if we want, or just click the remove button, remove link here to remove it. And if we need to add a new page as a new menu item, we can click here, then click add to menu, and it will be added to the new menu. Then we can actually rearrange them or reorder them by simple dragging. And once we are happy with the changes, we can actually click the save menu to save the changes. Also, from the menu settings here, you can assign this menu to a theme location. Like for this theme, primary means it will be shown in the header, and the footer means it will be shown in the footer. And if you want a custom link as a menu item, click the custom link. Here you can actually put a link that is the URL, then the link label. For this example, we will use let me find the Google. Okay, we'll use this link, then the title Google, and click the hit add to menu. So a custom link will added as your navigation item or menu item, and the same way you can add a post category as your menu item. So once you are happy with the changes, you need to click the save changes to save the changes, right? Okay, so now I will show you how to create a new menu. To create a new menu, click here, create a new menu, and give it a name like new menu 1. And once you give it a name, click the save menu. And now we will add few pages as our navigation item, and we can actually assign it to our primary location and click the save menu. So the new menu is here, and you can actually find it in the drop down as well. And if you want to delete this navigation item, you can actually click the delete menu to delete this menu. So now you know how to create a new menu item, how to work with an existing menu item, update a menu, edit a menu, edit a title, how to add new menu item, and you see, it's fairly easy. So that's all. Thanks for watching.